Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and in this video I will be showing you how you can use your own video recording to set as your lock screen wallpaper. Okay, so there's two ways you can do this. You can use a video that you already have saved in the gallery. So for example, I've got this video here. I would simply select these three little pins and select set as wallpaper, and you get the option to set it to the lock screen or call background. So I'm just going to select lock screen, and here where you see these little scissors, you can select the trim option and you can trim down the video to the size or to the part of the clip that you want to use as the lock screen wallpaper. And then just simply hit done and wait for it to apply. And then hit done again. Now when I go on the lock screen, I have my video clip set as my wallpaper. Okay, so the next way is you can just simply open up the camera . So I've got a glass of soda here. So you can just record your video . And then go into the gallery, look for the video that you've just recorded, select the three little pins, select set as wallpaper, select lock screen, and once again you can trim it down and use the part of the video that you want as your lock screen wallpaper, and then hit done and hit done again up here at the top, and it should say changes applied to the lock screen. And now we have my video that I just recorded on the lock screen set as my wallpaper. Okay, hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor. See you in the next one, guys. I'm out. Deuces.